Hello, parents. Good day. I would like to share with you this screencast that I have created. Uh, I have created this screencast or video specifically for you to um, give an idea on what you can do with your child this summer. So, for this school year, I have been using this platform or internet-based intervention program for reading and math. Um, your child is familiar, your child knows how to navigate this platform or internet-based intervention program. This is called IXL.com. So, to start with, what you need to do is go to www.ixl.com, and when you get to this screen, what you need to do is to log in the username and the password, which I will provide. Your child is in my roster, and I have individual accounts for each of them, so you may use them. Or another way to access the website or the platform is go to membership, click this icon, and it will lead you to this. So you can join here for only $9.95 per month, or you may use the username and password which I have created for your child. Once you get into the platform, it will show you the different subjects. So you may have math, language arts, science, social studies. So for this summer, I suggest that you work on math skills and language arts skills that we have outlined in the IEP. So on the left side, you will see here letters and numbers. So this is P stands for pre-K, and then kindergarten, first grade, second grade, third grade, and so on. So for math, for example, if your child is in third grade and you want to work on your child's addition skills, you may go to the addition part, and you may click one of the activities here from C1 to C16. So for example, you want to try addition of two numbers, addition of two numbers up to 3 digits. You may click that, and you will see the direction, add two numbers up to 3 digits, and you may try, okay, let me try this item. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 6 plus 3 is 9. Once you have determined the answer, click submit. Well done. And then it will give you the next item. And to your right, you will see here questions answered, one, because we tried one item, and then the time elapsed. That tells you the how long your child has been in this activity, and then it will show you the question, the score. With regard to the score, if you get the answer right, the computer will generate certain points, and every time you make a mistake, the score goes down, and you have to get to 100. And then once you have done that, the computer will generate a digital token or a digital certificate to reinforce uh, better engagement or excitement for your child. What if your child made an error? So for example, 360 plus 143. So for example, this is 4. course, this is just a practice. 8 and 2. And then you submit. Uh-oh. It is a mistake. It is not correct. So it says here, sorry, incorrect. It will give you the correct answer. The correct answer is 503, and there's an explanation. And it is important that you click got it, so that the computer will direct you to the next item. Unless you click got it, you cannot move forward. So click got it, and then you go to the next item. What if you find out that these activities are too difficult for your child? You may adjust the grade level. So from third grade, you may try first grade. And your child needs to work on counting numbers, so you may try counting and number patterns and basic addition and subtraction. And what if your child finds it the grade level easy or not challenging enough? You may move to the next grade level. So from third grade, you may try fourth grade. Or if your child is in second grade, you may try a third grade. All right. Now, once you are done with all the activities that you want to work on with your kid, you may try, skills or other skills from other grade levels. You actually may pick and choose any of the skills that are outlined in different grade levels. And what is great about this program, it tracks your child's performance over an extended period of time. So if your child is not able to finish one activity today, the score is saved and it will not be erased. You can continue working on those items or skills some other time. So I will be sending you this screencast, and if you have via ClassDojo, and if you have questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. You may send an email or you may use the ClassDojo to communicate with me this summer. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy using this platform with your child to keep them busy, to keep them engaged, or sustain or reinforce what they have learned this school year. So have a nice summer.